It is becoming almost routine for the people at FIFA to set up these committees and appoint these officials to recommend some nonsense. Football games from 90 minutes to 1 hour, split into two 30-minute halves. Then there is a proposal to have kick-ins instead of throw-ins, and that yellow card recipients sit on the sidelines for 5 minutes, and to work with a stop clock and cut out added time and some other minor nonsense. Now my question is though, does football need these changes? Is there data to suggest that the appeal and popularity of football are in decline? Is football broke and in need of fixing? Or, despite its reach and popularity, it could be still bigger, and these changes would make football bigger. And where will this all end? How long before them widen the goals and make the ball smaller and stop defenders from tackling? Personally, I think this is all one grand bag of foolishness. Mr. Infantino and your bag of friends and committees, uno leave the people's game alone, please, and thanks.